In this video, I'm going to show you how to add 2 or more face accessories in Roblox. So we're going to start by heading over to the Roblox website and make sure you're signed in to your Roblox account. Click on the navigation bar in the top left hand side and go and select avatar. Now from here you need to hover your mouse over accessories and then go and select face. Now you'll be able to see all of the accessories that are available for your avatar. So to go and add multiple accessories, just right click on the accessory that you want to add and click on open link in new tab. Now you'll need to do this for all of the different accessories that you want to add. So I'm going to do this for these 2 accessories here. Now to go and add both of these accessories, just click on advanced and you'll see all of these asset IDs. Now head over to the first tab that we just opened in our internet browser and you'll need to copy these numbers in the address bar, and this represents the ID number for this accessory. So I'm just going to right click on this number and press copy. Now head back over to our avatar and go and paste in that asset ID. You're also going to do the same for your second accessory as well. Just go and copy these numbers here and then we can go and paste these into the asset ID. Now obviously you can add as many of these as you like. I'm just going to be adding the 2 sunglasses and then we can go and press save. Click on save and just like that you can see now we're wearing both of these accessories. Now this is slightly difficult to see because obviously they're both sunglasses, but if you have different things here like hats and stuff like that, you'll be able to see that you can wear multiple facial accessories. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.